In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install FFmpeg using terminal and homebrew. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open terminal from this Spotlight search, and here once the Spotlight search window is open, then we need to type terminal and we'll see terminal is there. Just double click over there to open terminal. I'm going to increase the size of the terminal so that you can easily read it. Now we need to type on command, so I'm going to write the command of the FFmpeg to start the installation. So the command is brew install FFmpeg, and then we have to hit return key. Once we hit return key, then it will show us this type of information, and when the installation will be finished, basically it will give us the confirmation. Till we don't find the confirmation message, we cannot close it. If we close it, then it will not work. So we have to wait till it is installed. That means the FFmpeg is installed. Once the FFmpeg is installed successfully, then we'll get this type of message. That means it is installed successfully. And that's it. In this way, we can easily install FFmpeg using homebrew on our Mac computer.